Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the SXZJTEX curtains right here. This is their gold linen window curtain panels. This is a 2-pack, and each curtain's gonna be 55 inches wide and 84 inches for its height. Multiple size options available and different designs, patterns, and colors depending on what you choose. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead and I'll show you the back side really quick. Give you the side profile here. And now let's go ahead and open them up. All right, here's a look at both curtains opened up out of the packaging. They look great, really nice. I'll give you that close up at the top here, and we'll just continue to move down. Get a full feel for the design and pattern there. They're both going to be identical to each other, so we can look at the other one and same thing. We'll look up at the top right there. Now it's time, let's go ahead, let's get them hung up. All right, here's a look at the curtains. Take a look here. They look really nice, and they're bringing everything together here in the room. We have some light being diffused and still shining through the window here, even with our blinds. So in case you're wondering about that, we have our blinds. Let's open those up and do that again and get a better feel for it to see how they're gonna look in the light that they're gonna let in. Now the studio light's off and it's just the natural light coming in through the window and our curtains. They're really nice. And one last final look for you.